Hello, welcome back to my channel, Phyllis Boache. In this video, we are going to make tomato paste. So tomato paste is basically a thick paste made by cooking tomatoes for several hours to reduce the water content. So I usually do this when tomatoes are in season and are affordable. So stay tuned. So first you get your tomatoes and then you wash, remove seeds. I usually like to remove my seeds and then I cut it into two. Then blend it and put it in a large pot over medium-high heat and bring it to a boil until it becomes paste. Okay, actually it took me 4 hours for 120 tomatoes to reduce the water content. So let it cool, divide into portions. That makes it easy for you to use, just like what I have done with mine. So for a long-term storage, say 6 months, put in freezer-friendly containers and store in your freezer. I use this for my tomato stews, jollof, and the likes. This is an excellent food prep that makes cooking very easy. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for food and healthy lifestyle tips. Also click on the notification bell for alerts for future videos. Thank you. Bye.